Okay, mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode, record an empty background just for a few seconds. Walking, then you look up, then you throw your hand on, okay, as if you are throwing light. After that, you stay there and watch. Then you can just point your hand to the camera and point, on imaginary something, all right? Then after that, you can now just do a thumbs up, then you walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace. Click on your video, locate volume. Click on volume, reduce it to 0. Mark on this good and go back. Locate where you want this video to start from. Click on the video and make a split. Delete this first part, guys. So at this point, you click on overlay, add overlay. You import your green screen stone. This is it. You locate where you want to use for the video. Go and locate the part you want. This part, click on it now and make a split. Click, make a split. Come back. Make a split here as well. Then you delete this part, the last part. Delete the first part as well. Click on this one, come to middle, click it and go and look for freeze. Locate freeze. Click on freeze now. Click on this first part and delete. Last part and delete. Click on this one and take it to the beginning of the video, guys. Then you click it and go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, chroma key. Drag it down, mark on that good and go back. Click it and go and locate adjust, guys. Locate adjust. Click on adjust now. Then you go and look for HSL. Click on it. Mark green. Reduce saturation to 100%. Mark on that good and go back. So you drag it to the ending part of the video. As you align it now, you come back. Click on the stone now, the rock. You take it up and adjust it the way you want it to be. Adjust it. After making your necessary adjustment, then you are going to be playing the video now. After adjustment, play the video. Then you are going to be walking into the scene. You walk into the scene. Immediately you throw your hand up. Click on add overlay, guys. Click on add overlay. Then you import this light here. Then you click on splice. Click on splice now, guys. Click on filter. Then mark on that good and go back. Click on the light and take it to the point of your hand. Turn it. Take it to the point of your hand. So take it to the point of your hand. Remember, it's going to that stone. Make your necessary adjustment. Expand the light and take it to that stone. After making your necessary adjustments here, then you go and look for mask. Okay, go and look for mask. Click on mask now. Let us resize the light. Click on rectangle. Then you resize this light. Look at it. Just resize the light. After resizing the light now, you are going to be marking on this good to go back. All right. After resizing it, you mark on that good and go back now. All right. Now let's play this one and see how it play. Good. This is good. So mark anywhere now and click on add overlay. Click on add overlay now. Then you import this second light here. You click on splice, guys. You click on filter. You mark on this good and go back. Then click on the light. All right. Then you expand it and bring it up to the stone. All right. So bring it up now. Make your necessary adjustments. Then you are going to be clicking on the light to make a split. Make a split. Delete that last part. Then you are going to click on the light now. Bring it under this other light here. Bring it under. As you bring it under now, after bringing it under, play the video. Let us see. Play it now. Good. Immediately the light show. Click on this one and trim it. After trimming it now, this is how the video is going to play. This part is ready. Click on add overlay. Import this stream here, the running water. Then you are going to be clicking on volume to reduce it. Mark on that good and go back. You go and locate mask after you expound it. If you like, locate mask. Locate mask. Locate mask. Click on mask now. We want to resize that water as well. Click on mask, resize it. All right, look at what I am doing. Resize that running water now. Resize it. After resizing it, you are going to be marking on OK by that good. Mark on that good now and go back. All right, then you adjust it to where you want it to be. After that, you go and locate that mask again. Click on mask.
Then you crumple the light completely. Take it up to that stone. So crumple it, you bring it up to the stone. After that, you are going to be marking on this good. You mark on this good here and go back after placing it how you want it to be after adjustment. Mark on this good now to go back after the whole adjustment, guys. You are going to be marking on this good and you are going to be going back. Then here now you add on keyframe. So add keyframe, you adjust the video, all right? Adjust the video after you add keyframe. So you adjust the video now, you still click on mask again. After you adjust it, click on mask again for the second time. Then you start opening this water, this stream, this water now. Start opening the water again, the running water. Open it. We are opening it. Open it to the size you want, all right? Open it. Open it. Look at what I am doing. Follow my example, all right? No, it's too much now. Just come up, all right? Crumple it and bring it up. Do your necessary adjustment as you can see what I am doing. Then after the whole adjustment here, you mark on this good and go back again. Don't make mistake. Mark on this good and go back. All right, this is how it's going to play good. So we are going to be clicking anywhere to click on add overlay. Click on add overlay. Import this water for the second time. Import that stream for the second time. Still click it and click on volume. Reduce it to 0. Mark on this good and go back. Still go and look for that mask again. All right, click on mask again. Click on circle this time. Then you bring it down and come and circle the stream part of it where the water is pouring. Circle the stream part of it. After circling it, make your necessary adjustments. After the whole adjustment, you are going to mark on this good again to go back. Don't forget. Then you drag it down. Then you make it align with this one. That is where the water is going to be pouring. All right, make your necessary adjustments. After that, we are going to go and play the video from the beginning to see what we have got. All right, just play it from here. Let us see what we have got there. Play it. No, you can see I don't like the way it is. Then I'm going to still make my necessary adjustment. After making my adjustment, take time to watch your own and make your necessary adjustment. After that, I play it from the beginning. All right, so you are playing it now. Identify your error, identify if there is any mistake, then you do your necessary corrections. All right, but after playing it and there is no correction, then you know your video is ready. Like I am sure and I am convinced that this video is ready now. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effects, your light effects, and every other necessary effects. And after that, you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry, at the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me. Then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects. Then after that, you can now export your video. If you want any of these effects here, don't hesitate to DM me. I will send them to you. The green screen, the lights, anyone you want, DM me, I will send them to you. At this point, click on this background and trim it. All right, click on the green screen, trim it. Click on this your lights and make your cut, the water, make your cut, delete the two of them because they are not useful to us again. At this point, you click on export and export your video to your gallery. Okay, now the video is exporting. Just exercise patience. It's exporting to your gallery now. As you export now, it has exported, finished. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, and if you need any of those effects, the lights, the green screen, rock or stone, even the streams, just DM me, I will send it to you. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.